Hello everyone, welcome to BISP Solutions. I'm Tanvi Arora and I'm working here as a functional consultant. So in today's video, we are going to see the case scenario of holding company's investment in subsidiary company with 100% of ownership. So let's just go to our smart view. So I've already prepared my smart view and I've already inputted the figures in the balance sheet accounts, and also I've defined my POVs. So this is my holding company, which is South 101. It has made an 100% investment in South 102, which amounts to 2 lakh rupees. So our effect of consolidation will be that once the consolidation is done, the investment in subsidiary will get eliminated. And also the goodwill and the retained earnings will be calculated separately. And as this is the 100% case of consolidation, 100% investment, so the minority interest will not be there. So let's just see the process of consolidation, and let's go to our application. So this is the homepage of my application. And first we have to define our ownership structure. So for that, I'm going to application and then consolidation. So first of all, I have to check whether my POV is correctly defined. So I will choose my correct entity. It's South. So S100, and then I will click on OK. And scenario I have taken as plan. So this will be plan. Financial year is 2015 and period is January. So let's define our ownership structure. Before that, I will click on this arrow. So South 101 is my holding company. So I'll just change it to holding. And the investment is 100%, and it has made 100% investment in subsidiary. So S102 is my subsidiary company. Then I will click on Save Changes. After saving my changes, I will go to Actions and recompute my ownership data. So everything is fine here. Let's recompute. So once this is done, we'll check the status in the data from the data status. And after that, we will run the business rule of consolidation. So this is my data status page, and as I can see that the status has been changed to impacted, then I can go ahead with running the rule of consolidation. Okay, business rule of consolidation. So from Actions tab under Business Rules, I'll click on Consolidate. I'll select my correct entity. It's under Total Geography. It's total S100. And I will click on OK. So now my entity is correct. Scenario is plan. Year is financial year 2015 and period is Jan. So I will launch the rule. Okay, so let's just see the result in our output sheet. So this is my output sheet, and we can see that the figures have been consolidated at the parent level, And we can also verify this. Like if I see the total of my debtors, it comes to 2,65,000, which is correct. And the investment in subsidiary has become zero. This is the rule of consolidation. Okay, the elimination will take place. And for goodwill calculation and retained earning calculation, we have a separate sheet for that. So I've already calculated it for you. So basically, goodwill is the investment made in subsidiary and the like minus the net assets of the subsidiary. So net assets is the share capital of subsidiary, and 2 lakh is the investment amount. So let's just verify. So we can see that investment in subsidiary was 2 lakhs and the retained earnings of subsidiary, share capital of subsidiary was 1,50,000. So which gave me the result of goodwill as 50,000. And retained earnings, we have to calculate at a total level. So we will take the retained earnings of holding and retained earnings of subsidiary, which will come to 25,000. And as it is 100% investment, so we are not deducting anything for the minority people. So we have taken 100% of everything. So we have just taken 100% or retained earnings of holding and subsidiary. So this is the case. This was the case of 100% consolidation. Okay, thank you so much.